Hello, my name is Igor. On 7th April, the MyTechFun YouTube channel will be 5 years old, and 3 companies, Acmer, Creality and Elegoo, offered a product as a giveaway. So I will have 1 laser engraver and 2 3D printers as a giveaway gift to my viewers. Let's see these companies and their conditions one by one in ABC order. Acmer, they offer P1S Pro 6-watt diode laser engraver and E10 honeycomb bed. Now, something you should know about these 6-watt diode lasers. I still claim that they are best for the engraving, because I already tested many 30-40 watt diode lasers, and usually they are using at least 2, 4, 6 diodes and combine the power into one beam, but they don't even try to focus them into one spot. They try to prolong to have better cutting capabilities, but with this they sacrifice the size of the spot. So for the engraving, these 6-watt diode lasers are the best. Their requirements: follow their Facebook page, and there are some limitations, so they can offer free shipping into regions like EU, USA and Russia, and if you are outside of this region, then the winner must pay the shipping. The Creality, it is the biggest brand in the 3D printing industry, and they offer NS3 V3 SE. And this is one of the best budget printers for the beginners, because it will do many things automatically instead of the user, like automatic bed leveling, the Z offset. There are no leveling wheels, there are no adjusting V-slot wheels on Y-axis and similar. The requirement: follow their Facebook page. Now, they have warehouses in the different regions of the world, but basically they told me from China they can ship anywhere in the world for free. Only depend of your country and the region. The winner maybe must pay some custom and tax fees. The Elegoo, they offer Neptune 4 Pro. Now, I didn't have chance to test exactly this printer. I tested Neptune 4 Max, which is great printer with big volume, but these specifications are similar. It is also clipper based and able to print on 500 millimeters per second. The limitation is basically the hot end, but it is able to heat up the nozzle to 300 degrees Celsius. So if you solve the enclosure, basically you can print some technical filaments on it. The requirements: the winner needs to follow Elegoo social media accounts. Currently I don't have the list, but I will leave some text down in the description. Now, there are some restrictions. The shipping restrictions: price can be only sent to US, UK, Australia, Canada, Japan and most of the EU countries. Now, on 7th April, that's Sunday, I will have a short live stream where I will draw the winner from the commenters. So leave the comment below this video. If you don't have idea, just leave, I know, what is your favorite video on MyTechFun YouTube channel, or what kind of videos you would like to see here. The double comments will be filtered out, so it is not necessary to leave 5 comments there. And I hope you will follow me to that live stream too. It will be my first live stream, and see you on 7th April. Bye.